today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contact in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the exact clicks to remove a contact safely, and I'll point out a few things to watch for so you don't delete the wrong record. First, open your browser and go to crm.zoho.com. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials so you land on the Zoho CRM home screen. Give the page a moment to load. You should see a left-hand sidebar with your modules. In the sidebar, look for the section labeled Sales. Depending on your layout, the sidebar may be collapsed, so hover or click to expand it. Click Sales to reveal its items. Next, choose Contacts. This opens your list of contact records. Remember, contacts are people linked to companies you already do business with, which is different from leads. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters at the top to find the specific person you intend to remove. Take an extra second to confirm you're looking at the correct record. Matching names are common. Once you've located the contact, move your mouse over that row in the list to reveal the action options. Look for the three dots, sometimes called the More or Actions menu, to the right of the row. Click those three dots to open the menu of available actions for that contact. From the menu, choose Delete. The Zoho CRM will usually prompt you to confirm. Read the confirmation message carefully so you understand what's being removed. Deleting a contact removes that person's record from your contacts module and can affect related items like activities or notes, depending on your organization's settings. If you're unsure, take a quick screenshot or copy key details before you proceed. When you're ready, confirm the deletion. The list will refresh and the contact will no longer appear. That's all it takes. If you don't see the delete option, your profile may not have permission to delete contacts. Reach out to your CRM administrator. If you're cleaning up multiple records, repeat the same process or consult your admin about bulk deletion policies to keep your data consistent and secure. Thanks for following along. Now you know exactly how to delete a contact in Zoho CRM quickly and confidently.